Looking for the best camping gadgets to upgrade your next trip? In this video, we've rounded up must-have camping gear and outdoor gadgets that every camper needs in 2025. Whether you're into backpacking, hiking, overlanding, or family camping, these Amazon camping essentials will take your outdoor experience to the next level. From portable power stations and multifunctional tools to innovative cooking gear and survival must-haves, we've got the most practical and coolest gadgets that are perfect for beginners and seasoned adventurers alike. Without further ado, let's get started. Staying warm and cooking efficiently in remote outdoor settings requires a reliable and portable heat source. The ITAO hot tent stove delivers exceptional performance with its stainless steel frame. Designed for tent camping, cooking, ice fishing, hunting, and boiling water. This wood-burning stove includes 7 chimney pipes, a 90-degree elbow pipe, and an anti-spark pipe for safe vertical or angled setups. All components, including an ash scraper and fireplace grate, fit inside the compact body for easy transport. The adjustable damper offers precise airflow control, while the heat-resistant glass lets you monitor flames. With foldable legs, side shelves for handles, and a stove cover that doubles as a BBQ grill, it's the ultimate all-in-one outdoor stove. Maintaining balance and reducing joint strain during hikes requires dependable support on every terrain. The Cascade Mountain Tech trekking poles offer lightweight strength with aircraft-grade aluminum construction, perfect for trekking and climbing. Each pole weighs just 10.4 ounces and extends from 26 to 54 inches using a quick flip-lock system for easy height adjustments. Choose between EVA foam or cork grip handles, both featuring padded adjustable wrist straps for comfort and security. The extended EVA down grip provides a secondary hold point for uphill climbs. These poles come equipped with durable tungsten carbide tips and a 5-piece accessory kit including rubber tips, boot covers, snow and mud baskets, and a pole clip for complete outdoor readiness. Reliable shelter is essential for outdoor adventurers seeking comfort, protection, and portability in unpredictable weather. Introducing the Featherstone Backpacking Tent, a lightweight, freestanding 3-season tent designed for hikers, bikers, and campers who prioritize performance. Weighing just 4 pounds in trail weight, it fits 2 people and accommodates wide sleeping pads or a full-sized air mattress. Made from durable silicone nylon with a hydrostatic head rating, it resists rain and rugged terrain. The seam-taped construction, bathtub floor design, and PFAS-compliant materials ensure dryness and safety. Featuring an easy setup with aluminum poles, a mesh gear loft, and an included footprint for an ultralight fly footprint setup. This tent offers versatility, reliability, and space-saving convenience in one package. Staying warm and comfortable during outdoor or indoor adventures is essential for a good night's rest and overall well-being. The Tanstrider Sleeping Bag is designed for cold weather, offering waterproof, lightweight portability ideal for camping, hiking, or home use. Made with soft, skin-friendly fabric and available in 4 colors, it features a smooth, two-way zipper with a guard to prevent snagging, plus a windproof tube and draft collar to keep body heat in and cold air out. The adjustable half-circle hood retains warmth, while the bottom unzips separately to let your feet breathe. Durable and roomy, it even converts into a blanket. Includes a compression sack for easy storage and transport. Long walks, hikes, and outdoor adventures often call for both support and rest in unpredictable moments. Introducing the Step 2 Gold Tarda Chair, a brilliantly engineered solution that functions as both a walking cane and a foldable chair in one lightweight, durable design. Crafted from sturdy aluminum, it's easy to carry and store and instantly transforms from a walking stick into a stable seat. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while its oversized seat offers unmatched sitting comfort. Anti-slip rubber feet with a spiral pattern add superior stability and drainage. A built-in smartphone holder lets you relax hands-free. Perfect for trekking, hiking, camping, or everyday support wherever mobility and rest are needed. Unpredictable weather and rugged terrain. Demand shelter that's lightweight, durable, and easy to carry. Meet the Night Cat Ultralight Tent, the ideal choice for solo backpackers and hikers, weighing only 2 pounds for effortless portability. Crafted from durable nylon fabric, it offers long-lasting performance in the toughest outdoor conditions. Its waterproof rainfly ensures protection from heavy rain and snow, making it reliable for all-season adventures. Designed in a compact bivvy sack style, this one-person tent fits easily into a backpack. With quick setup using included stakes and ropes, it's perfect for fast pitching after a long trek. Trekking pole not included. This is professional-grade gear for serious outdoor explorers. Reliable lighting is essential for both outdoor adventures and cozy home settings where ambiance and visibility matter. The Barebones Railroad Lantern blends vintage aesthetics with modern technology to deliver a unique and functional lighting experience. Inspired by the classic Union Pacific design, this lantern features seeded glass and copper accents for a timeless look. It includes an LED Edison-style bulb with adjustable brightness, allowing you to set the perfect glow for any occasion. Powered by a rechargeable battery or USB, it offers high-tech convenience wherever you go. Ideal for camping gear or home decor, this lightweight and versatile lantern enhances backyard evenings, dinner settings, or rugged outdoor nights with warm, reliable light. Reliable footwear is essential for outdoor adventures that demand both comfort and performance across rugged terrain. The REI Cord Boots are designed to meet those demands with exceptional waterproof protection and ankle support. Featuring a breathable mesh upper and a waterproof membrane, these boots keep your feet dry and comfortable in all weather conditions. The padded tongue and ankle offer lasting comfort, while the soft insole molds to your foot for superior support. A durable rubber outsole with multi-directional lugs ensures excellent grip and stability on varied surfaces. With a supportive heel and complementary spare laces, these backpacking boots combine durability, traction, and comfort for every outdoor journey.